How to deposit Solana on Solflare wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to go about that. So the first step is to open your Solflare wallet. It's over here. So after opening it, make sure you come and open it. Come and tap on the home button here, which is more like a wallet, and make sure you have an account with Solflare wallet. If you don't have an account, come and register right away. So after opening your Solflare account, come and tap on the receive button there, then copy this address. This is your Solana address. Okay, you can tap on this Solana address here. Okay, then tap on receive, then copy this address. So after tapping on that copy address, head over to your Binance application, and now you're going to come and withdraw Solana from Binance to Solflare wallet. Okay, so I just have to put in my credentials or my fingerprint so that I can open my Binance application. So my Binance application is successfully opened. So now what you're going to do is simple. Come and tap on wallet, then come and tap on spot, then tap on withdraw. When you tap on withdraw, search for Solana, and then tap on send via crypto network. Okay, and then long press and paste your address you copy from the Solflare wallet there, and automatically it will detect the network as Solana. And now just input the amount of Solana you're sending and just tap on withdraw, and right away you receive the Solana on your Solflare wallet. So guys, thanks for watching. Ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.